Hey everybody, welcome back to Soozie's Stuff. I'm Soozie and this is my Tuesday 60-second DIY. What's it going to be today? Well, it involves some chocolate, some jars, stencils, and shoe polish. But what else? I'm not doing 1, 2, or 3, but 5 60-second DIYs today. What? I'm so excited to bring you these fun, quick, easy Valentine DIYs today. So what do you say? Let's start the clocks. Our first one is so quick and easy. I'm using these little red balls from Hobby Lobby, some florals, and a vase from Dollar Tree. The clock is started already. So I got these little, they're kind of like frosted little red balls from Hobby Lobby. They're on sale. I usually always see them at the 80 and 90% off. They're usually one of the last things to go. I got those little berries from a friend, but you can add any kind of floral arrangement in there that you like. I just like that it's still a touch of winter, that it has the red for Valentine. I love this. This can go all the way through Valentine's, or it's all the way through February. So all I need now is just one last little touch that you can pop off later to use the jar again. This is just one of those little wooden cutouts from Dollar Tree, hot glued it on. Look guys, I'm finished. I made it. Our next 60-second is called Let's Get Cozy. I got this picture frame from Hobby Lobby. It was $2.24. I thought it was perfect. I did want to paint the bottom part. It's green. I thought maybe I should do it with some blue color, but then I thought, no, it's 60 seconds. We're going to do it quickly. So these are some of the wooden hearts from Dollar Tree. And you can see there, I took some of that white shoe polish. I've been using that lately, and you'll see some more of it here in this video, but I just love it. And I made that one little heart right there, some white color. So I just kind of threw them down there randomly. I just thought it was so cute. Turned this kind of winter frame into a Valentine frame. Also, what I did is I actually like it like that. But I thought, I've got some butcher twine here, that red and white. And so I wrapped the top of it and then I tied a little red bow. I do like how this turned out, but in the end, I did take it off. You'll see it when I show them all together. And now here comes the chocolate. I found these 3 little jars at Dollar Tree, plus the chocolate. I got them the same, but in 3 different kinds. And then those little chunky hearts that I had from just my stash. So I really quickly painted the lids, 2 coats of the white chalk paint. And then while those were drying, I just filled up the little jars with all these colors of the little hearts. The white ones here, oh my goodness, they're so good. It's white chocolate with peanut butter. Yum! And so these would be so cute for a gift. So I added all 3 of those in there. And then we hot glued the chunky little hearts right on top. Now you could paint the lids any color that you like, but I decided I had some extra butcher twine there in just the solid red, so I just made a quick little bow right on top of each one. How cute, how precious is this? I think they're darling sitting in your kitchen or for a sweet gift. And my 4th 60-second DIY, I'm starting out with one of those heart frames from Dollar Tree. And then any kind of gift bag that you like the print on there, I love that one. And you have got to try this brown shoe polish from Dollar Tree. I have been using it a lot and it works perfectly. You just open it and start going. You don't need a brush, you don't need to pour anything out. It just works great. And if you want a darker color, you just wait just a second while it dries and add another coat. I know you're gonna love using this shoe polish, so make sure you pick some up. They have it in white and black as well. So I just cut out the shape, popped it in the frame. Look how pretty that is. And then I sanded it, grabbed some 16 gauge wire Added some of my just whatever wooden beads I had. I had some big ones and then some white ones. Put those together, hot glued it on the back, and we are done. 5 seconds to go. I just have to tell you one more time, pick up some of this brown shoe polish. You'll love it. And my last 60-second DIY today, I'm using these stencils from Dollar Tree. I love them. They're little hearts, a little bitty block of scrap wood, and one of those love signs. Once again, I'm using my favorite shoe polish, brown stain. I love it. And I'm just doing both sides because I have an idea as I was working with this. I decided to use the white chalk paint to stencil on. I've got the little flat sponge brush, so I'm putting that on, and as I'm doing it, I'm liking it. It's really cute. When I pull it up, you'll see, ta-da, look how cute that is. And I kind of rough it up a little bit, but when you put the love sign on top of it, it's just too much. So I thought, hey, we're going to do two sides. So it's going to be a 2-for-1 DIY. So on the other side, I decided to do just a small little heart. And then I've got that pink burlap ribbon that you see at Dollar Tree as well. This is one side, and then we're going to flip it over and do the other. And then so I add just a little bit of the burlap on the back here, adding the love sign. I love all of that together. I did trim it off just a little bit, and so now you see both sides. Which side do you like best? 3, 2, 1, we made it. So let's take a look at all of these 60-second DIYs put together. Here is the beautiful arrangement with the red, and I think I called them red balls, but I think it's that filler stuff. But any kind of filler I think would be great. I love that piece. And there are numerous ways you can use the Dollar Tree heart frames, and their gift bags are so gorgeous. You could put just anything in there, but don't forget to use the brown shoe polish. And here's this darling Let's Get Cozy frame. Remember, I got it at Hobby Lobby over in the 90% off. Here it is with the butcher twine, and then here it is without. I think I like it without. What do you think? Sometimes it can be too much. These are my little chocolate jars. I love them. They're simple. The candy wrapper itself really decorates it. So again, these would be perfect for cute little gifts. And here it is, our little scrap piece of wood love block. So which did you decide is your favorite? This side or the other side? I think this piece is perfect for a tier tray, or just any little nook that you have that you need some Valentine decor. I hope that you enjoyed all of my 5 60-second DIYs today. Join me every Tuesday for my 60-second DIY. Thanks for joining me on Soozie's Stuff, KDIY Channel 146. I'll see you Saturday. Bye, everybody.